Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to create a realistic prompt with Leonardo AI. The process will be quite simple and easy. The first thing is head toward the official website of Leonardo AI. And from here, tap on this option, Image Generation. If this option is not here, then you can find this option on the left side of your computer screen. Image Generation, tap on this one. Now here, write about your prompt. What kind of prompt you want to create in Leonardo. Like I am writing, I wrote, a boy in a jungle. And on the last, you have to write this, hyper realistic. Before tapping on the option Generate, if you take a look on the left side of your computer screen, you will see the option photo, Real, Alchemy. If this alchemy feature is off, then simply turn it on and you will turn it on. Then you can see the amount of tokens has been increased. Now select number of image, like I will select 2, and from here you will see the option Creative. Simply tap on this one. Now generate the image by tapping on this generate icon. Now Leonardo has start processing, so you can see our prompt has been generated. And if I tap on this one, these look insane. So by using this method, you can create prompt image in Leonardo AI.